Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of one-variable equations. This is standard 8.8C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 23 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got two customers here and they're spending the same total amount of money at a restaurant. So that's going to be important for us. Two customers coming in. One of them is going to buy 8 hot wings and we're leaving a $4 tip. Second one is buying 10 hot wings, so more, but he leaves a smaller tip of $2.80. And then both customers paid the same amount per hot wing. So we're not talking different types of hot wings or different wings that cost different amounts. It's the same amount per hot wing. So how much does one hot wing cost in dollars and cents? That's interesting. Well, they don't give it to us, but we actually have enough information. If we provide possibly a letter for an unknown, we can actually solve this with the information they've given it to us. So we don't know anything about these hot wings. Let's just call them X. You can call them H, you can call them anything you want to. But if we can label our unknown with a variable, then this is going to start to take shape like other types of problems we've seen before. First off, we need to know that customer 1, I'm going to say C1, is the same as C2. That's going to be very important because it's not an inequality, it is an equation. Because it says that the two customers spent the same total amount. And we can use this X for both of these hot wings because they're the same type of hot wings, or at least they cost the same. So that's what we know. So we can use the same variable for both. If we didn't know that, we'd have to get two different variables, and that would just make it very, very complicated. So what do we know about this first customer? This first customer bought 8 hot wings. So 8 hot wings. So 8 times our unknown, which is the hot wings. We don't know how much they cost, right? Plus a $4 tip. Kind of looks like the slope intercept form. Then on the other side, the customer 2 is going to buy 10 hot wings. So 10 times this X, 10 times the unknown. And then we're going to leave a $2.80. I'm just going to abbreviate that to 2.8. We can put that back in dollars and cents when we are finished. So let's do what we do. Let's isolate the variable, right? So I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides here. I'm going to end up rewriting it so I've got a little bit more room. So that's going to be 0. So I'm just going to have 4 over here. That's going to leave me 2x plus 2.8. All right, so I've got 4 equals 2x plus 2.8. Now I need to get rid of that 2.8, so I'm going to subtract 2.8 from both sides. And so that is going to leave me with 1.2 equals 2x. Now I need to get rid of that 2, so let's cut that in half. All right, so I'm going to end up with x equals 1.2, or think of 12 with a decimal, so it's 0.6. All right, now let's put this back in context. How much does the one hot wing cost in dollars and cents? Well, there's no such thing as 0.6 in dollars and cents, but you can say 60 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this into our little bubble chart here. We've got this big long column. That's just going to be the decimal point. So the biggest thing is going to be, you have 4 decimals, 4 spots to the left of the decimal, 2 spots to the right. It's going to be the 6 right here. That's the most important part. You can go ahead and put that 0 if you want to as well. And that's our answer, 60.